Spices, one of my favorite holidays is coming up. St. Patrick's Day is this weekend, which means we need to make one of my favorite traditional meals, which is a corned beef brisket. Today we are going to be baking it in the oven, and I'm really looking forward to celebrating this holiday with you. So let's go spice things up and dele dele. The first thing we are going to add to our roasting pot is a corned beef brisket, fat side up. And now we are just going to add some small potatoes right around your beef brisket. Now some baby carrots. Normally I would add more carrots, but this is all we have. My husband's been eating a lot of hummus lately. And one little bouillon, that makes me cry all the time. Now we're going to add a couple bottles of that good old Irish beer, Guinness. Let me just try a little sip. I want to see if it's as bad as I remember it. Nope. Nope. Worse. One more. Oh, Dad, there's 4 more left. These will be in the beer fridge for you. He likes dark beer. All right, now we are going to add 1/3 cup of brown sugar. This is dark brown sugar. Just put it all over. Garlic powder. A little seasoned salt. A few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Now we're going to cut off a little bit of rosemary and just put it right on the top. Maybe a little more. Just like this. And just put the lid on. And of course, if you do not have a roasting pan, you can always use just a regular pan and put foil over the top. That works too. Now you want to put your beef brisket in the oven at 350 for 3 hours.
Don't forget to like and share this recipe with one of your favorite friends, Ummies.
And after about 3 hours, you want to take your brisket out. And you want to take your cabbage and just put it right in here. And these are just cabbage wedges. Put the lid back on top. And then you'll want to put your corned beef brisket back in the oven for 15 minutes. And then after about 15 or 20 minutes, after the cabbage has been cooking, it's done and you're ready to eat. So if you'd like to see any more videos, click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.
Aiden, how do you make a tissue dance?
Put a little boogie in it.